Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Hey guys, I have another job lead. TJ Maxx is currently hiring. Discover different careers at TJX. Discover a career you will love. Who is TJX? Why TJX? Career areas, early career locations, job search. I have been scrolling through jobs.tjx.com. It says get tailored job recommendations based on your interests, and you can just click here to get started. Job recommendations for you, browsing based recommendations, new job, be the first to apply. So these are some jobs here that you can look at. As you know, TJ Maxx is a part of Marshall's, Home Goods, Sierra, Winners, Home Sense, TK Maxx, part of the TJX family. Our culture makes us different. See what Discover Different could mean for you. And you just click see more. And I was just scrolling through, guys. They are hiring. Yes, they are hiring. Our brands, our merchandise is ever changing, and the sense of wonder never ending at the stores our customers love. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, Sierra, Winners, Home Sense, and TK Maxx. It talks about their story, talks about their corporate responsibilities, why TJX. It talks about the diversity, a safer place to work. It talks about the talent community. You can sign up to receive alerts about the positions that may suit your skills, discover a career you love, and all of the details. So let's go up to the top here. Bear with me for one moment, and we can type in. So if you click all of here, say you want to enter in a particular word. These are the job categories, from digital to distribution centers, distribution management, finance and accounting, global IT, human resources, information technology, logistics, loss prevention, marketing, merchandising and buying, other retail associates. They have 6,189 retail associate jobs, retail management, store operations, support functions. So say if I wanted to type in my favorite word, guys, remote, this is what comes up for the remote positions. It says search jobs, discover career, and you will see all of the jobs that they currently have that are open, that are remote, guys. So I'm super excited for whoever gets one of these roles, guys. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Good luck to you guys. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, watching, commenting, and always subscribing. I appreciate you all so much. Love you lots. And thank you so much, guys, for always watching and stopping by. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.